Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Gas prices will rise tomorrow. PETROLEum announced that a litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will cost 66 cents more. Automotive diesel goes up by 72 cents, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will cost $1.13 more. Kerosene is up $1.58. Propane falls by $1.17, while butane will sell for $2.76 less. Wigton Wind Farm listed 11 billion shares today on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The company raised $5.5 billion in its initial public offering. Wigton now has 31,000 shareholders and holds the record of being the IPO with the most applications ever.
We have made tremendous strides as Wigton, with total application of 31,200 and 4 times, yes, and 4 times the size of that offer has taken 21 days from the close of the offer to the listing today.
Managing Director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Marlene Street Forest, says the Wigton IPO has raised the bar for most new investors.
The overall number of applications was 31,200. We are pleased to report that 11,772, or 38%, are new investors to the market.
Meanwhile, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the Jamaica Mortgage Bank, Central Wastewater Company and the government stake in JPS are next in line to be divested. It's part of efforts to improve the ownership economy.
What we are trying to do now is to socialize wealth. We're trying to ensure that the average Jamaican benefits from the good decision-making that creates wealth and be a part of that process.
Let's take a look at currency trading now. It ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.43. The Canadian dollar is going for $101.13. The pound sterling, $171.95, while the euro sells for $151.36. To the stock market now, the JSE index gained 2,344 points today, while the junior market index advanced 29 points. Among the winners, Wigton Wind Farm, Proven Investments, Jamaica Teas, SSL Venture Capital, and Express Catering. On the losing side, Key Insurance, Consolidated Bakeries, Panjam Investments, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and Radio Jamaica. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.